Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, just out in the nursery looking at all the lovely plants you've got for sale at this time of the year, and something has caught my eye. Lots of flowering pansies, violas. What's the difference between a pansy and a viola? Flower size. Viola, smaller flowers, more like the size of maybe a 2p piece if you've got cash in your pocket, or pansy, much bigger. You can see the comparison in the flower here. So your pansies have got the bigger flowers, the violas are smaller flowers. Generally your viola will have a lot more flowers, obviously they're smaller. Pansy, less, but bigger flowers. So there's your choice really. Other than that, all the same kind of treatment. Tough hardy plant. You can plant these in the autumn, in late summer, they'll give you a display then, and then they'll re-flourish after the winter months. As soon as there's a hint of above freezing temperatures, start putting on growth. As soon as it's above 4 degrees, and you get flowers on these as early as February all the way through to the end of May, when you want to sort of probably swap them out for your other kind of bedding plants anyway, like your geraniums and fuchsias. So really good kind of plant that will give you a lot of early spring colour. Underplant them with perhaps bulbs. You could have little narcissus like tete-a-tete, it's another good variety. You could put through these little baby daffodils. Perfect for tubs and planters, hanging baskets. These are your early shot of colour. They come in a full range of colours. You've got blues, yellows, purples, reds, oranges, whites. And then you've also got, if you have a look at the detail, you've got clear faces. They call them faces, or you've got these with the blotches on, said to sort of look like happy faces. There's even a variety called cat's whiskers that's got little veins running through it, said to look like a cat whiskers. So you've got a lot of flower power for these, great value for money. Yeah, so if you want a bit of early season colour in your garden, perfect.